Driving at night is challenging the further you drive, especially when driving through adverse weather conditions, or if the light output doesn't suit the environment or your eyes. Did you know? The colour output of your driving lights affects how well you can see and can be optimised for improved vision. With different colour temperatures suiting different scenarios, a blue or cooler colour temperature is typical to most LEDs. Being closer to the colour of daylight, it offers the best visibility in clear and open environments. On the other hand, an orange or warmer colour temperature output creates a softer light, reducing reflection and glare, especially in dusty or foggy conditions. The Nighthawk variable colour temperature driving lights have been designed to give you the best of both worlds. They can be adjusted between 6,000 and 3,000 kelvins on the fly. And with 8 different settings to choose from, you can optimise the colour of the lights to provide you with the best visibility in all conditions. As with all the Nighthawk variable series lights, you also have the ability to control the brightness of the light output too, meaning you have the ultimate control for any driving situation. These high-performance driving lights are designed and engineered in Australia, made from premium quality components, and boasting a 5-year warranty. Nothing else offers you greater control. Control the light, control the night. Find out more at bushranger.com.au/Nighthawk.